Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can help the way I feel for you.
These are the 2 units, 102, and then after the end of this section begins a new section, and that's where 201 is.
Sitting there by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say.
Here, TV cabinet, a sectional facing the TV that way. Otherwise, this window is really low. Can't put anything up against it too much. Let me see how tall it is. This here is 16, and this here is 25. So that would be a very low couch or sectional. Kind of busy in here. Yeah, so 4-bar stools.
Words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all.
Now we head upstairs.
You make me lose my mind like all the time.
And we get up to the laundry room.
Stuck in an endless
Wide hallway. To the right here is the master bedroom. Pretty spacious. This area here to the left can have a dresser. And then here's a master. So the headboard would go on this wall, the big wall. And then this technically can be a bench right here. So as you're walking in, it would be nice to actually have a bench there.
sitting there by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours.
Now, let's go down the hallway to bedroom number 2. This is an ensuite. We can do a twin in here.
You say, can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor.
And this here is more spacious. So this can actually get a full and a desk.
And I love the way I feel for you.
It's better work from home situation. So very similar, slightly different. Going back down.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh,
Yes, exactly.
no, we run the show. Let's get loud, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on.
Yay, something fits.
No limit while we go for more. We can shine
Yeah, that's good.
a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together.
So I'm looking for unit 201 and no one can seem to help me. They all look the same.
Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it.
Unit 201. It's the second building over from the first one. Walk in and area for a bench or a console table.
One of yesterday's, but I'm gonna hold it together.
Get into the first bedroom on the bottom floor, and this thing is quite spacious, where we're gonna have to have, I think, a queen bed here,
Never seen
possibly a bench, and definitely a desk here. And that's it. It's got a pretty spacious bathroom too.
Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So
Now we get up the stairs.
and I've been needing that crazy.
We get into the kitchen.
So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song.
Pretty spacious and a cool floor-to-ceiling pantry. However, they did not leave a lot of room for the living space. Cabinet here and that couch. This dining space is pretty decent.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit.
So we can put a 60-inch in here, possibly even 70.
Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on.
Then the second and last bedroom is the master. Pretty spacious. We can fit a queen or a king.
Let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it.
I have a feeling this is more of like the professionals living in the space. So that is it with this unit.
Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt.
Got a good game plan for this one?
Yeah. Maybe backstage and I'm a baby.
How we're gonna do this? Yeah, I think we're gonna figure it out, right? Yeah. All right, let's do this.
I just want your time.
So here it is, ladies. Gonna use your imagination,
I need
special magic hands. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's go. Go.
I just want
Do
your
it.
time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you
All right, let's do this, girls. Make this room functional. It's a tiny room. I came and assessed it, and it's actually smaller than usual. It's tricky because you have this little tiny wall right here, and you only have this one wall here. And then that wall has a really low window. So it's really tricky. Let's see what we can do.
When you put doubts and doubts and doubts in my mind, still you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out. Now in the spring, I just want your time.
So we brought in a smaller couch to show there's more space over here. You can have a bigger couch, but a small one shows a little bit more space and it's more to scale with this area. So we had to block the window a little bit, but this is the area that when people walk up, they'll be able to see the presentation. Great job, ladies.
I just want your time. I just want your time. But you haven't seen anything yet. Now you're just beginning your trip to regrets. You might think you know me, but soon you forget. I'm too insane, and you know it. You got to learn to like me again and again, 'cause I will make you love me again and again. Just when you think you love me, you'll think again, 'cause I will make you hate me again and again. I'll say I'm fine when I'm not, just to mess you up. I won't be home when you want, and I won't pick up. You'll spend your time with your watch, counting down the clock. You'll go insane, and I like it. But you haven't seen all of me yet. Now I'm just beginning your work in progress. You might think you know me, but soon you forget. I'm too insane, and you know it. You got to learn to like me again and again, 'cause I will make you love me again and again. Just when you think you love me, you'll think again, 'cause I will make you hate me again and again. Again and again.
Great job to my team. It was wonderful working with the builder. They had everything ready for us, thank goodness. So I mean, we do a lot of communities for different builders, and not everything is ready as we hope, but we work around it. So we know that life happens, we know that things happen, and so we kind of work around it. We try to check up in advance to see the progress, but sometimes it's not what it is. And that's it, everyone. I hope you really enjoyed the tour. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and click on that notification bell because you don't want to miss the next project. If you have any questions, feel free to add them in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you, and let me know what kind of projects you'd like to see. We'll probably have one in store for you soon. So take care, everyone. Be safe, and I'll see you next time.